Hello everyone, my name is Anthony Rodriguez and this will be my prototype demo for my budget tracker, Smart Budget. So most personal finance apps focus on automation. They pull your data, you forget about it, and your habits never change. Smart Budget is built on an intentional friction. So the act of manually entering a transaction is the first step towards financial awareness. So today I'm going to show you how we bridge that gap with a high-end UI and proactive insights. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. There we go. All right. So here we have the dashboard. So before I logged in, I had put in about a year's worth of about healthy financial data. So I'm going to go over so you can see the budgets real quick, some transactions. I'm going to go over to our insights page. So you can see again some more in depth. We have different graphs here and then financial trends over time. So you can see the hills and valleys in the trend chart down here. We do track a rolling 12-month average, but if you you can drill down a little bit by sliding your mouse over the graph. And you can also change the time frame here. So you'll notice there's some peaks in July right over here, and then again in like October and December for consistent seasonal spending. It's not just a list of numbers, it's the story of the users last year, essentially. Um, so next, I will go ahead and go to our expenses page. You can also do this from the dashboard, but I'm going to add a transaction. So I'll just put in dining out. Just put it in the category. You can change your type here, expense or income, and then I'll just put $45. So you'll notice it's fast and deliberate, and the icons are isolated to keep the focus clear. By the time I hit save, I've already acknowledged that $45 dining out fee. The dashboard's going to update instantly. So by the time I get over here, you can already see dining out is down here. And it's in our graphs as well. All right, and then so that's like healthy data. I'm going to go ahead and clear this out, and then I'm going to put in some different data. You'll see it updates a little bit. So you'll see down here quite different spending here, and then we're actually ending on a bad note, or we're starting off with a bad note over here in February. And to go inside with that, we have alerts. So you'll see there's budget warnings, budget exceeded, large transactions, and you'll notice some of these bars are black. So those are actually going to change from green for your under, I think it's, I have it about under 80%. Amber is going to be, I guess it's under 70%. Amber is going to be 70 to 80 or so, and then black or red is going to be 80 to 100, and then anything over 100, 100 plus is going to be black. So it's pretty visual right there. You can already tell where you're at. You can actually clear all of those notifications, so if you don't want to see them. And then we also have a learning center. So if you are kind of wanting to learn some more about finances, you can do a quick search here. Tells you the kind of comprehension level you need there, basic time amount, and then it'll actually open over here. So you can kind of be more intuitive and understand why some of those things happened with your finances there. So smart budget isn't about looking at your money, it's about knowing your money. Thank you.